How to find DCU account number. To find your DCU account number, follow these steps. Log in to your DCU online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account dashboard or summary page. Look for the specific account for which you need the account number. Typically, the account number will be displayed alongside your account details. If you can't locate your account number online, consider checking your account statements. Account numbers are often printed on the paper or electronic statements. You can also check any physical checks associated with your DCU account. Your account number is usually printed at the bottom of your checks. Additionally, you can contact DCU customer service for assistance. Provide them with the necessary verification information to access your account details. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.